Good morning everyone. Welcome to module 4. As you all know that we have studied chapter number 14 Legislature. Let us now revise the chapter with the help of the question answers given at the back of the chapter. Exercise D. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Explain the composition of the Lok Sabha. The answer is on page number 132 under the topic composition. The composition of Lok Sabha is as follows. Maximum strength of members is 552. 510-24 represent the state and 26 represent the union territories. Seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. 2 Anglo-Indian members are nominated by President. The allotment of members are based on population. Now let us start question number 2. Question is, mention the legislative powers of the Parliament. The answer is given on page number 135 under legislative powers. The legislative powers of the Parliament are as follows. Point 1. The Parliament makes laws on subjects of Union list, the concurrent list and state list. Concurrent list, both the Parliament and state legislature can make laws. The Union law shall prevail in case there is a discrepancy. Ordinance issued by the President in the absence of the sessions of the Parliament has to be approved within 6 weeks of the date of reassembly of the Parliament. Next point, the Parliament can make laws during an emergency from the state list. It can also make laws on state list if Rajya Sabha passes a resolution. Last point, point number 5, it can make laws on the subjects not mentioned in any of the list. Let us start with question number 3. Question 3, define budget, Parliament. The answer is on page number 137 under the key terms. Budget. What is a budget? The estimate of income and expenditure of the government for the present year and the coming year. Parliament. Definition of Parliament is the law-making organ of the government which also controls the national finance and the executive. Question number 4. Mention the qualifications of the members of the Rajya Sabha. The answer is given on page number 134 under the heading qualifications. The qualification of the members of the Rajya Sabha are: he must be the citizen of India, he must be at least 30 years of age, he must possess such other qualification as prescribed by the law of the Parliament. Question number 5. How can the Parliament control the executive? The Parliament controls the executive in the following ways. This answer is on page number 136 under the heading Control over the Executive. Point 1. By asking questions to the ministers during the question hour in order to gather information about any matter of public importance. Point 2. The ministers are jointly responsible for their work, performance to the Lok Sabha. Point 3. By voting a cut in the budget, by moving an adjournment motion where a member of Parliament might want to draw the attention to a matter of public importance. Question number 6. Who presides the meetings of the Houses of the Parliament? The answer is on page number 134 as well as 133 under the topic Presiding Officers. The Speaker is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha and presides over the meetings of the House. Question number 7. What is the term of office of each House of Parliament? What is adult franchisee? The answer is on page 133 as well as 134 under the topics Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Term of office. The term of office of Lok Sabha is 5 years and of Rajya Sabha is of 6 years. Question number 8. Which house of the Parliament is called the Permanent House? Why is it called so? The answer is on page number 134. Topic is Rajya Sabha. The term of a Rajya Sabha member is 6 years. It is a permanent house as it cannot be dissolved by the President. After every 2 years, 1/3 of the members retire they may be re-elected or new members will take their seat. Now, as you have seen in question number 7, there is another question. What is adult franchisee? You can also write it as a short note the way I have given it at the end of this lesson. Universal adult franchisee. Now, what is it? Every citizen of India who has attained 18 years of age is entitled to cast his or her vote to elect the candidate of his or her own choice as a representative of the MP, that is Member of Parliament. This answer is on page number 134 under the topic Universal Adult Franchisee. Now, you are supposed to do these answers in your history notebook. Draw double lines, write the name of the chapter, start writing the answers. After each answer, draw a finishing line. Also, all the answers should be in points. Thank you.